A professional-looking individual in business attire walks into a modern office setting, carrying a briefcase. Welcome to our video on MBA specializations. If you're considering pursuing an MBA, you may be wondering about the different specializations available to you. Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll provide an overview of the most common MBA specializations to help you make an informed decision about your business education. So, let's get started. Cut to a series of brief shots showcasing different MBA specializations, providing narration for each one. Finance. Finance is all about managing money, investments, and financial resources. If you're interested in fields such as corporate finance, investment banking, or financial consulting, a specialization in finance can equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in these areas. Marketing. Marketing focuses on understanding consumer behavior, developing marketing strategies, and creating and implementing marketing campaigns. If you have a passion for branding, advertising, market research, or digital marketing, a marketing specialization could be the right fit for you. Human resources. Human resources, HR, is all about managing an organization's most valuable asset, its people. With a specialization in HR, you can gain expertise in areas such as talent acquisition, employee relations, performance management, and organizational development. Operations management. Operations management deals with the management of the production process, supply chain management, and logistics. If you enjoy optimizing processes, improving efficiency, and solving complex operational challenges, a specialization in operations management might be a great fit for you. Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is for those who have a passion for starting and managing their own business ventures. With a specialization in entrepreneurship, you can learn about topics such as business planning, venture capital, innovation, and business development strategies. International business. International business focuses on the complexities of conducting business in a global environment. If you're interested in topics such as global marketing, international trade, cross-cultural management, and global strategy, a specialization in international business could be a great fit for you. Business analytics. Business analytics is all about using data-driven approaches to solve complex business problems. With a specialization in business analytics, you can learn how to analyze and interpret data, use statistical tools, and make data-driven decisions to drive business success. Healthcare management. Healthcare management is a specialized field that focuses on the unique challenges of managing healthcare organizations. If you have an interest in the business side of healthcare, with topics such as healthcare policy, healthcare finance, and healthcare operations, a specialization in healthcare management might be the right fit for you. Information technology, IT, management. IT management deals with the strategic planning, implementation, and management of information technology in organizations. If you're interested in IT governance, IT strategy, cybersecurity, or IT project management, a specialization in IT management can provide you with the skills and knowledge to excel in these areas. In the office setting, now concluding the video. And there you have it. These are just a few of the many MBA specializations available to you. Depending on your interests, career goals, and aspirations, there's likely a specialization that aligns with your passions and can help you develop the skills and knowledge needed to excel in your chosen field. We hope this overview has been helpful in your decision-making process. Good luck in your MBA journey. Thanks for watching.